Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic battle between two powerful motherboards. On the left side, we have the Gigabyte A520I AC, and on the right side, we have the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries. Get ready for some serious motherboard showdown. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category, the price. Both of these motherboards come in at a budget-friendly $119. So it's a tie in terms of affordability. You won't have to break the bank to get your hands on these bad boys. Moving on to our next category, processor support. The Gigabyte A520I AC supports third-general AMD Ryzen processors with its AM4 socket. Meanwhile, the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries takes it up a notch by supporting both AMD Ryzen 5000 and 3000 series desktop processors. However, it's important to note that it's not compatible with AMD Ryzen 5340G and Ryzen 3 3200G. So if you're looking for the latest and greatest, the MSI motherboard has the edge here. Now, let's talk about memory support. The Gigabyte A520I AC offers dual-channel DDR4 with 2 DIMM slots. On the other hand, the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries supports DDR4 memory up to a whopping 4400 OC MHz. That's lightning fast. If you're a performance junkie and want to push your memory to the limits, the MSI motherboard is the clear winner here. Time to dive into storage options. The Gigabyte A520I AC comes with a PCIe 3.0 x 16 slot and an NVMe PCIe 3.0 x 4M.2 slot. It also features an ALC 887 audio codec, 1 GB eLAN, and Intel dual-band AC Wi-Fi with Bluetooth. On the other hand, the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries boasts PCIe 4.0 and Lightning Gen 4x4 M.2 with M.2 Shield Frozer. It also offers a premium thermal solution with additional choke thermal pad and M.2 Shield Frozer. If you want that extra storage speed and thermal performance, the MSI motherboard is the way to go. Last but not least, let's talk about those extra features that make a difference. The Gigabyte A520I AC has an optimized VRM heatsink and direct 6-phases digital PWM with 55A DrMOS. It also supports rear DP and 2x HDMI for all your display needs. On the other hand, the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries brings the heat with Core Boost, digital PWM IC, 2 ounces thickened copper PCB, Creator Genie, and DDR4 boost. It's a tough call, but the MSI motherboard offers a more powerful design overall. Based on online reviews, the Gigabyte A520i AC is praised for its performance and compatibility with AMD CPUs. Reviewers have mentioned that it lacks certain features like RGB indicators and an internal USB-C type socket. On the other hand, the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries is highly appreciated for its build quality, performance, and various connectivity options. However, some reviewers have reported issues with the integrated Wi-Fi and lighting controller. Overall, both motherboards have their strengths and weaknesses, so it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Gigabyte A520i AC and the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries motherboard. Both are great options, but it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to check the links in the description to purchase these motherboards and support our channel. Remember to subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons and helpful buying guides. Stay smart and happy shopping.